this is not just a tourism activity. Remember that whenever we do this, it is never just a tourism activity. We promote not just tourism but also the community.
Sunvic Surf Fest, hindi lang po siya isang event. It consists of 3 events. As you guys know, that we've been running surfing competition for the past 5 years. So this is going to be the 6th year. So I am very, very happy to be a part of it since day one. And now, after 5 years, we see it as progress. We progress.
And why do you like surfing in San Vicente better than all the other surf spots?
Because it's better because I like a lot of people over there. A lot of people like my friends and stuff, and I like honestly surfing with my friends. And yes, honestly, it's better to surf with friends.
That's really the identity of San Vicente. And there's no other way. Nandun na yung alon eh. So, akuin na natin yung alon na yan. Let's claim it, and let's claim it as truly the surfing capital of Palawan.
Even if you cannot make it through the week, it's good to come by, visit, and join us during the weekends. Kasi during the weekends, we really put so much events para lahat mag-enjoy.
International muna, yun muna yung nakasalang, and then kasunod doon yung national. So, we'll start with an opening ceremony. So yes, malaki po yung opening ceremony. And then the following days, magkakaroon ng competition. So for the international, the first few days are competition days. And then, meron tayong tinatawag na lay day. So ibig sabihin po ng lay day na yan is yung mga nag-compete sa international, yun yung time nila maglibot at umikot ng San Vicente. So meron tayong scheduled island hopping, meron tayong scheduled land tour, meron tayong scheduled cultural activities for the people who are competing in that competition. And then the following day is magkakaroon ng parang closing ceremony na. Pero yung closing ceremony ng international, nagko-coincide din siya sa opening ceremony ng national. So tuloy-tuloy pa rin po. In fact, mas malaki nga po yung gitna. Kasi doon nagkikita yung dalawang event. Tapos pagkatapos po nun, tuloy-tuloy naman po. Nandun na yung national competition. And then, during the national competition, yung schedule kasi medyo malabo po kanina. Pero yung sa national competition, may mga side events din po. May push ba, may surf skate, and then meron tayong mga jiu-jitsu, meron tayong Muay Thai. So may mga side activities on top of the actual surfing competition. And then to yung question po ninyo na kung may mag-extend ba pagkatapos ng international, yes. In fact, si Andy ang pinakamatagal na magsistay. Si Andy po ang tuloy-tuloy-tuloy. And in fact, ang nakakatawa po, as mentioned earlier, si Andy nga po ang unang nagbayad ng registration. Kahit pwede namin siyang i-free, pero nagkusa siya na siya yung nagbayad, inunahan pa niya po kami.